look, it looks like I kind of have a jawline. Ariana Grande who? Just your average super prepared beauty YouTuber. Don't even have my hair done. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My hands are covered in hairspray from that little episode, but that's okay. Before we get into today's video, I wanted to let you guys know that this super bomb makeup look, I'm gonna leave a link down below whenever it's up. I don't know which one's gonna be up first. But today, I'm gonna be comparing the new Fenty Diamond Bomb highlighter with the Nikkie Tutorials Ofra collab. I might be the only one that thought to compare these two. I don't really know. Here are the two Ofra highlighters in their packaging. Nice big packaging. I really like it. And let me grab my Fenty. I did an entire video on the new Fenty collection. I will also leave that link down below if you just want to see my first impressions and demonstration of this highlighter. But today I wanted to compare it to Nikkie's and Ofra's too. I just want to see something, okay? Let me know down below if you guys were thinking about this as well, but as soon as I saw the Fenty one, I was like, maybe Nikkie's could be a dupe. So, Ofra is a brand I've been talking about a lot on my channel, and they recently changed their packaging. To be completely honest with you, I liked their old packaging better, just because I'm not a fan of square packaging, because it's like sharp and it kind of hurts. But other than that, it looks nice, it's nicer packaging, I just don't like the square. But the Ofra highlighters are $35, okay? So the first one is the Nikkie Tutorials collab in Space Baby, okay? And this is the first one. As you can see, it's silver, but it looks like it has a little bit of a blue undertone in it. And then the second collab with Nikkie is in the shade Cloud 9. And again, it's like a silver, but this one's got a little bit more of like a golden undertone to it. And then we've got the Fenty Many Carats. Again, is a silver. And this one seems to have like no undertone to it. So I think that's what's going to set it apart. But I wanted to compare it to these two to see if maybe, maybe they could be a dupe. Particularly for the reason that Ofra looks really good on the face, and this Fenty one, go watch that video, it doesn't look that great on the face. So if you could get a similar effect with this, I'd tell you definitely get this. It's $3 cheaper. This is $38. Ofra is $35. I also have a 30% off discount code with Ofra, so it'll be way less than this one. Oh, how did I not say this yet? Whoa, hold on. Okay. Another big thing is that both of these formulas, this is kind of what caught my eye in the first place. Both the Fenty and the Ofra's Nikkie collab formulas are a gel to powder finish. So it's the same formula concept. So it's like a dupe, like a dupe. Well, if it's the right color, which it might not be, but here is Space Baby. It's very, very pigmented, obviously, and I can see that it does have a little bit of a blue reflect to it. You guys see that? So it's almost like kind of when you move, you're going to see a little bit of a blue effect. And then I'm going to go ahead and swatch the Ofra Cloud 9, which I think is going to be a little bit of the opposite, a little bit more warm toned. Yeah, but this one actually has like a purple. It's so weird. To be completely honest with you, like, why? Like, this is kind of along the unicorn trend. Like, I think we're past that, okay? These magnet, I think. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, anyways, let's go ahead and swatch our Fenty. You can push right into this. Like, it's so gel-esque, which makes me wonder if it's going to dry out. So immediately you can see on the finger, this is way less pigmented. Way, way less pigmented. Let's go ahead and... Oh, complete failure. Not the same at all. Okay. Deletes video. No. Not the same at all, you guys, but there's a reason why I'm going to put this video up anyways. And the reason I'm going to put this video up anyways is for anybody who was curious. Dupe videos, in my opinion, just like hauls, we shouldn't always just be showing you what's good or what we have discovered. I think it's important to say, no, these aren't the same, too. So if you guys don't have these, you're not going to go out, you know what I mean? It's the same concept as giving you a dupe is telling you it's not a dupe. In my opinion, I'm still giving you valuable information. If you disagree, then you can tell me down below. But let me go ahead and talk about the formula a little bit. The Ofra formulas are really, really nice. They are much more pigmented, in my opinion. The gel, you feel a lot more on the Fenty. Fenty feels a lot more watery, which makes me nervous for it drying out because there's not a whole lot of pigment in there. You guys can see it's almost like a Vaseline with some glitter in it. However, it's very finely milled glitter. Watch my... no. Watch my dedicated review on that. But very soft, very powdery. You see how it blends really nicely into the skin. These do as well, but they're just much more pigmented. Okay, but anyways, Space Baby is very blue. Cloud 9 is very pinky purple. So they're definitely not a dupe at all for the Fenty, because the Fenty is just a pure, it is just a pure glitter, pure silver glitter. I've really never seen anything like it. If you guys want me to hunt down a direct dupe for it, I can try to do that. I think Laura Geller, what did you guys say I'm supposed to say? Geller or Geller? I can't remember. Geller? Laura Geller. I think it's Geller, which sounds weird to me, but you guys told me that's how you're supposed to say it. I think he, oh my god, I suck. Your typical beauty guru times 5 million, right? Anyways, I think that brand has a silver highlighter, so maybe I could test that out for you guys. Let me know. Yeah, this is a little bit of a fail, but I still wanted to jump on here because I was curious when I first saw these, so maybe some of you guys are as well, and now I can tell you, no. If you're looking for something with 0 undertones, get the Fenty. My gosh, it's got no yellow, no blue, no purple, no nude, nothing. It's pure milk white silver. Oh, maybe I should put some on my face. Okay, so the video is over, but if you want to see how the Ofra goes on the face, keep watching. If you want to see how Fenty goes on the face, go watch my other video. Okay? I figure I might as well give you guys a little mini review in the end of this video so it's not completely useless, so that if you were just thinking about buying these, you can see what they look like on the skin. So this is Cloud 9. So pretty. And it kind of goes along with my pinky makeup look as well. Oh, that's nice. In the pan, it almost looks like it has a little bit of a green too, but I don't see that on the face. I only see pink. That's really pretty, guys. Ofra highlighters are good. They're really good. Don't forget to use my code. I'm going to put Space Baby on this side. Really nice. Really pretty, purpley blue. Like, they're both different, but both really, really pretty. And they're not too unicorny, you know? They're not, but they kind of are. I mean, if you really, really like Nikkie tutorials, it's definitely worth getting these. It's just the fact that, like, it's so overplayed. Like, I'm so over, like, the unicorny kind of things, you know? But that's that for you. Ofra formulas are always going to be good. It's a very reliable brand when it comes to makeup, but not when it comes to affiliations. Shade. Okay. I love Ofra. I do. But, like, they're playing me a little bit, but that's okay. I hope that you gained some kind of valuable information on this video. Give it a thumbs up for me. Leave me a comment down below, and we will discuss these products. I love you guys. I'll talk to you down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Bye-bye.